Hi, ladies. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Yanka, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. And today, or tonight, or this evening, whenever you're watching, we're going to do a quick little. I'm going to show you a few exercises for if you're dealing with shoulder pain, especially in the rotator cuff area. But before we do that, we're going to pray and give out God all the glory. Father, we glorify you. We love you. We bless your holy name. Father, I thank you for healing and health pouring forth. I decree and declare over your people that they are healthy, whole, and strong from the crown of their head to the soles of their feet, from the inside to the outside, spirit, soul, and body. Father, according to Job 22:28, that says I shall decree a thing, and that thing will be established, and light will shine in my ways. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. All right, ladies. So we're going to start with a little bit of a warm up, and then we'll get into the exercise. Okay. Now, before we begin anything, any type of exercise, I want you to ensure that your core is strong. Okay. So I want you to draw your belly button into your spine, roll the shoulder blades down your back. We're going to start right here with the shoulder rolls. Just roll them down. You're going to kind of use this throughout the workout. Okay. So roll them down. Give me 4 more and 3 more. Good. Now let's get into the neck a little bit. Look over your right shoulder, or one of your shoulders. It doesn't have to be right. And the other. Just looking side to side. Just warming that body up. And last one's each side. Okay, I want you to round out. Okay, when you round out, turn to the side. So your rib cage comes down. Press that spine back. You're going to tuck that pelvis forward. And then we're going to lift that chest up and open up. Okay? Round and lift and open. Round out and open. Once more. Good. Now I'm going to go down here and pelvis tilts forward and back. And tilt that pelvis forward and glutes back. Do it again. Pelvis forward, glutes back, tuck forward. One more time. Good. And bring it back. Nice job. Okay, let's get into those hips. Open up and down. Good. Let's do 2 more. And 1 more. Good. And you remember, even though we're going to focus on the shoulders, your body is a unit. So ultimately, everything works together. Good. And 1 more. All right, let's get into those knees. We're going to draw circles on the floor. Good. And go the other way. Drawing small circles on the floor. And now we're going to get down to those ankles. You're going to point that toe and lift my foot up and just circle it. Good. Work on my balance. And go the other way. And we're going to switch sides. Same thing. Now you know what to do. We're going to have to lift this high. And go the other way. Nice job. Okay, ladies. Actually, let's take it side to side because I like to stretch your inner thighs before I do anything. So this is kind of what I do anyway. A couple times a week or usually daily. Good. And 1 more each side. Now we're ready to go. All right, bring it center. Tuck that pelvis, round that spine, and roll it up for 3, 2, and roll the shoulder blades down your back. Good. All right, ladies, we're going to start with, let me see what I want to start with. We'll go with the band first. Okay. Actually, keep your band to the side. Just keep it close. I'm going to put it right here for now. But we're going to do a scapular pinch, okay? So you're going to roll the shoulder blades down your back, just like we did with the warm-up. So roll it down. And when you do this, all right, I want you to draw those arms back, roll the shoulder blades down, and like tuck them down to the floor, okay? So you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together and then pull your shoulder blades down towards your butt or your glutes, okay? So we're going to do 10. Core strong, all right? Your knees are soft but straight. Okay, here we go. Roll it back and take it back. Squeeze and bring it up. Do it again. Shoulder blades pinch together. Good. And bring it back. Do it again. And squeeze those blades. Roll them down your back. Core stay strong. Do it again and bring it back. And bring it up. Good. And squeeze those shoulder blades. And bring it back. We're halfway through it. Core stays strong. Belly button's pulled in. And bring it back. Good. We're just holding it for a few seconds each time we get back. And bring it back. Good. And 3 more. Squeeze, bring it back. And roll those shoulder blades down. Pull them down towards your glutes. And bring it back. Last one here. Take it back. Squeeze. Good. And release that. All right. Now, go ahead and take your band or your fitness tube. If you have a resistance band or a tube, I have a band, but you can also use a tube. Okay. I'm going to do some external rotation for the shoulder. All right. So you can, again, roll the shoulder blade down the back. okay? And we're going to, and I'm using this band because it's a nice light one. So I want you to open out, external rotation, bring it back. We have 10. And open out and bring it back. Good. Exhale. Make sure you're not holding your breath. And bring it back. Good. And take it out. And bring it back. Core stay strong. Good. And back. Okay, halfway through, we have 5 more. Good. And we have 4 more. Nice rotation for the shoulder. Now holding that breath, that core stay strong. And last one here. Good. And let's release that. Now shake that out. So what we do on one side, we're going to do on the other. So if your other shoulder don't bother you, that's fine. Do it in a way to strengthen, keep that the shoulders strengthened. So we're going to do the other side. So again, I'm checking for your posture. Your chest is lifted, okay? Your belly button is drawn in towards your spine. Your knees are straight and they're not like that. They're soft. And your knees and your toes are facing the same direction, okay? Here we go. Blaze down. We have a set of 10. Rotate out and bring it back and breathe. And back. Good. And out. Each time take it out, also squeeze that shoulder blade and pull it back. And in. Good. And out. And bring it back. And out. We have 5 more. We're halfway through it. Come on. Take it out. Now I have a slight little squat going on. And out. Bring it back. Nice rotation. And squeeze the shoulder blade as you pull it back. And out. Good. This is called external rotation for your shoulder. 3 more. And bring it back. You need 2 more. Draw it out. And bring it back. Good. And out. And bring it back. And I want you to release that. Woo, you should feel that in your shoulders. Now, with these exercises, I'm only running through 1 set, but you can do more than one, up to 3 sets. So 3 sets, 10 reps of each of the exercises I did, the scapular rotation, and then this same exercise. So now I may show you 4, okay? So this is my chair. Now, what you're gonna do with this chair, I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see, okay? I'm gonna go here first. So what you're gonna do, because when you have rotator cuff issues, your arm typically doesn't move that high. So it's challenging there. So this, you can kind of control that. You can walk yourself back as far as what's comfortable, when you feel that little pain, and then walk it back up, okay? So core strong. I'm gonna move my chair up a little bit more. Here we go, walk it back. And you want to get a straight arm. If you can, if not, you just start where you are and walk it right back up. Good. Do it again, walk it back. And bring it on up. Good. We're gonna do it 10 times, walk it back. And bring it up. Good. And back. And bring it up. Feels good. And back. And bring it up. I'm here to help you get this body together. Take it back. And bring it up. Good job. Back. And up. Let's do 3 more. And take it back. And bring it up. And the same thing, I want you to keep that shoulder blade around your back, and the shoulder is going to want to creep up to the ear. Keep it down. Take it back. And bring it up. We have 2 more. Take it back. And bring it up. Last one here. Take it back. And up. Nice job. All right. We're going to do it on the other side as well, okay? I'll turn here. All right. Same thing. Then we'll get into a stretch after this. Well, no, I'll show you one more exercise after this. Okay. So roll that shoulder blade down. You're going to do the same thing. Keep that core engaged. Take it back. Arm as straight as you can get it. And bring it up. Good. Do it again. And back. And up. So you're walking those feet back as far as back as what's comfortable for your shoulder. And bring it up. Doing good. And back. We're halfway through, ladies. You're doing good. Keep it up. Keep that core strong. Okay, even though we're not thinking about focusing on it, take it back. Keep that shoulder blade rolled down your back as well. Okay, roll it down. Roll it back and draw on in. Push those glutes back as far as you can get it. And up. Good. Keep going. And up. We have 2 more. And up. And last one here. Shoulder blade down your back. Keep the shoulder off the ear. And bring it up. Nice job. So we did 10. And again, each of these exercises, you can start with 1 set of 10. If that's too much, just do 1 set of however many you can get, but you want to work up to 3 sets of 10, all right? And so this is the final exercise I'll show you before you stretch, okay? So with this, we're going to actually, if you have a counter, you can do this on a counter, but obviously I don't have one, so I'm gonna use my stick and you can use this as well, okay? Keep core strong, same thing, okay? And what you're gonna do, okay, so notice this arm is down, all right? So hold it down, thumb is on the inside. We're going to squat down, all right? So as you say, same thing here. We're gonna squat and push up. Good, keep that arm back. And down. And up. And bring it down. Good. And up. Core stay strong. Down as you come up. I want you to press those heels, squeeze those glutes. So also working through that lower body a little bit. And up. We have 5 more. Take it down. Oh, I know this actually feels really good. To my shoulder. Down. And up. Good. And down. Almost there. We have 3 more. Keep those shoulder blades down. Roll down your back. Belly button pulling in. Down. Keep those knees behind those toes. Last one here. And down. And bring it up. Nice job. And all I need, this was I think, broomstick. So you use a broom, you know. I'm going to set that to the side. And I'm going to keep this. We are going to stretch. Okay. So, like if you're dealing with any rotator cuff or any shoulder issue around here, keep this or a belt or a stretch strap. Okay. You're going to take it here. And now you just go as far as up as what's comfortable for you, as your shoulder allows. So roll the shoulder blades down your back. Okay. Core strong and take it back as far as you can without aggravating the front of the shoulders. Okay. And we're going to hold it there and just breathe through it. So each of the stretches we hold for at least 20 seconds. Okay. 20 to 30 would be good, but at least 20. Good. I hope you all are having a good day. Every day should be a good day. You woke up this morning and it's the day that the Lord has made, so you should be rejoicing and be glad in it. Oh, that feels good. And let's release that on down. Nice job. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side here. Good. Now, I want you to go ahead and look over the shoulder and drop that chin down towards the armpit and release the side of this neck, okay? Roll the shoulder blade down and hold. Now, you can I didn't explain this before, but as you stretch, I'll talk about it, okay? So this is towards the end, so you can afford to hang out in the stretch a little bit, okay? So reach that arm down. But you can get impingement syndrome in the shoulder, rotator cuff issues if you're not a athlete, especially a baseball player, by poor posture, you know, because that could collapse the muscles in here and the bones, you know. So you want to have good posture. And so this is the last video. Bring that up. Look over the other shoulder. Reach the arm down. Drop that chin towards that armpit and do the same thing. So this is the last video on the pain series. Now we're going to move into Pilates, because I think that Pilates is important for no matter what you do for functional living, everyday life, any sport you're involved in. Building a strong core is, I think, integral for any type of movement. Just hold right there, reach down. So we'll do some standing Pilates, we'll do some mat Pilates, and we'll do Pilates with prop. And let's release that. All right, chin to chest. Roll those blades on your back and hold it. Excellent. Good. Now bring that up. Now, if you have, well, of course you do. I don't have a doorway, but if you had a doorway, right? A further stretch would be put those hands on both sides, roll the shoulder blades down your back, put one leg forward and lean into that so you can get a deeper stretch. So it will look like this, okay? In your doorway. Let me see if I can back up a little bit more so you can see a little bit more of my body. And just get a nice stretch through the front of those shoulders. Also call your anterior delt muscles. So, and hold right there. And I want you to release that. Ladies, very well done. Inhale those arms up as far as you can. Okay. And exhale it down. Good. Roll those shoulder blades down your back. We're going to do this 3 more times just because it feels good. And up. Reach up. Stretch through that core as well. Those abs. Bring it down. And rotate those shoulders back. Good. As high as you can. If this is high as you can go, this is fine. And you'll do this. Good. And bring it back. And roll it down. One more time. Take it up. And one arm across the front. The other across the back. And you take a bow. Job well done. Ladies, thank you for joining me as always. If this video was beneficial to you in any way, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share it with a family member or friend who you know that are dealing with any type of shoulder issues or any of the other previous workouts. Share it with them. Anyway, God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.